Are you considering Ally Bank as your primary financial institution? Before you dive in, let's address a crucial question. Is Ally a fully regulated bank? It's a question that many potential customers have, and it's one that we'll answer in detail today. Ally Bank has made significant strides in the online banking industry, offering a wide range of financial products and services. But as you explore the digital banking landscape, it's essential to understand the regulatory framework that governs these institutions. In this video, we'll delve into the regulatory status of Ally Bank, addressing your concerns and providing clarity. What is a regulated bank? Before we dive into Ally's specific status, let's clarify what a regulated bank is. A regulated bank is a financial institution that operates under the supervision of a government agency. These agencies ensure that banks adhere to specific rules and regulations to protect consumers and maintain financial stability. Ally Bank's regulatory status. Ally Bank is a fully regulated bank, chartered and supervised by the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC, a bureau of the U.S. Department of the Treasury. This means that Ally operates under the same regulatory framework as traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Key benefits of banking with a regulated bank. FDIC insurance. As an FDIC-insured bank, Ally offers deposit insurance up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank, for each account ownership category. This means your deposits are protected in the event of bank failure. Regulatory oversight. The OCC's oversight ensures that Ally adheres to strict regulations regarding consumer protection, privacy, and security. This provides peace of mind to customers. Access to financial services. Ally offers a wide range of financial products, including savings accounts, checking accounts, CDs, and investment services. These products are subject to regulatory scrutiny, ensuring fair practices and transparency. Common misconceptions. Despite being a fully regulated bank, some misconceptions about Ally Bank persist. Let's address a few of them. Online-only banks aren't secure. While Ally operates primarily online, its systems are highly secure and protected by advanced encryption technologies. The OCC's oversight ensures that Ally maintains robust security measures. Online banks lack personal service. Ally offers excellent customer service through various channels, including phone, email, and live chat. Their dedicated customer support team is available to assist you with your banking needs. By understanding Ally Bank's regulatory status, you can confidently choose it as your primary financial institution. Its status as a fully regulated bank, backed by the OCC's oversight, ensures the safety and security of your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.